All right, listeners, viewers, good afternoon or good evening, depending on who side you're watching our live. This is the program Beyond the Headlines live on TV Salon and We Are, and we are today, the 2nd of March 2025. For Una, we Muslim brother and sister who they keep fast, so they wish you a happy Ramadan. I don't know how they do today back now Sunday. Okay, and they go church back, they don't come out church now, then they host them, some they not reach it. But I'm going to welcome to the program. Mina Alpha, Obaya, and Ubayanda gets Baibure Kablai. Hello, Baibure.
Hello, me brother Obadi Alpha.
Yes, so how the Sunday to go like, or how the Ramadan?
Well, as you can see, check not ask for no. As it appear before you, say na proper check day before you. So I no need for explain body Ramadan, Alhamdulillah.
All right, thank you very much. That is the voice of Baibure Kablai. Well, family, inside the program today, as usual, we'll get the African news, we'll get a minute down in history, and we'll discuss more about issues on Salon. Not forget to say the issues then at the headline. One, Salon, they sue one law firm in America, yeah, because they say they overbill them by some work with them do together. We'll know more about that. Then also, Bond District, Alala been take place between the people in our mining company and the company within miner and community. Reporter go there, he talked to some of the people that were more about that. And also, one we colleague, woman journalist, then a free tongue, where they say police don't lock here in picking inside cell for the past 1 or 2 days now. We'll try to know more about what today happened. All day inside the program, beyond the headlines today, like I said, the 2nd of March, 2025. Baibure, the program don't come back today beyond the headlines. On your own end, you ready for this next one, her?
Well, you know, say on a soldier, we ever ready. Soldier man no get saying anytime they say go na war front, na for let you take, which you get for take and go. No argument.
Thank you. So live we'll be on TV Salon, we'll be on Weird, now YouTube and Facebook. But first, do I make we get a review of the African news, and after that we'll continue the program. Stay with us. Hello and welcome to the African News live on TV Salon and Weird. It starts from Senegal as the country has started refining oil, first time in its history.
Although the African Refinery Company was created in 1961, it is the first time that it is refining domestically produced oil, having only handled imported oil until now. The company is proud to announce that it has successfully refined the first crude oil produced in Senegal, named after the offshore oil production site in west central Senegal. The company said, quote, "After a successful processing with satisfactory results, the materials we have produced, such as heating oil and diesel, are now on their way to dedicated storage areas." And the company has reported that they had refined 650,000 barrels of crude oil.
Next to the Gambia, where victims of former President Yahya Jammeh are calling for his return to face justice.
Allegations of widespread abuses, including enforced disappearances, extrajudicial killings, and arbitrary detention. After losing an election in 2017 to Adama Barrow, the then 52-year-old sought exile in Equatorial Guinea. Campaigns in the Gambia to bring Jammeh to justice have been ongoing ever since, but the support of the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, is the best sign yet that their efforts are being rewarded. The Gambia's Ministry of Justice is set to take another major step and recruit special counsel for the investigations and prosecutions.
The reason why it was important to create a special office for that is because the TRC cases are very sensitive. And this is for the first time ever us listening, like I said, through a truth commission to people at times even confessing to having committed certain crimes. But it was still a truth commission. It wasn't a court of law. And so there really needs to be a very sensitive and specialized approach to how we further investigate and build these cases.
In Uganda, opposition leader Kizza Besigye has been charged with treason. He could face the death penalty if found guilty.
The magistrate court in the capital Kampala, alongside his aide and co-accused, Obaid Mutale. He appeared weak. His skin had darkened and eyes sunken, even with a mask covering the rest of his face. Veteran Ugandan opposition politician Kizza Besigye has been charged with treason in civilian court after his controversial case was transferred from a military tribunal. Treason is a capital offense in Uganda, and if found guilty, the 68-year-old could be sentenced to death. He was charged alongside 2 other suspects, but they did not enter a plea on the grounds that the charges against them could only be heard in a higher court.
Unfortunately, we have not got a decision today. We are walking away from the court premises without a remedy today. So we expected a decision to be delivered today. It should be instant. So we are going to retreat and see the next course of action.
Finally, in Sierra Leone, as Kush is destroying the lives of youths, new research has identified 3 countries where the ingredients of the drug comes from.
Describing it as an epidemic and a national threat. But the lack of information about the chemicals it contained and their origins have complicated efforts to combat it. Now, tests conducted by the Global Initiative Against Transnational Organised Crime at the request of his government has identified the core chemicals of Kush. The group found that more than half of samples contained nitazines, a highly addictive and deadly synthetic opioid, which is up to 25% more potent than fentanyl. The other half contains synthetic cannabinoids, and the report revealed that some of these ingredients are imported from abroad, including from China, the Netherlands, and likely the United Kingdom. Its low prices made it easily accessible in Sierra Leone.
And that's the news with me, Alpha Kamara. All right, well, Famulana be the African news from, across Africa, various regions, various countries. And yeah, one good thing here is Senegal don't begin refine oil, which means then they refine the oil in the country and turn them to finish like real oil. So which means they no need for go buy oil in other country. They refine the oil the first time in history, Bible right way than the Senegal refine their oil now. We no need for go to other country for go and go do that for them. I think that are one of the major developments under this new president. What do you think?
I feel proud as an Africa for hearing this kind good message to a country where we Africans belong. I think now some of them messages there or some of the information there we fit for the area, then country how we sit down because we know what they see now. We know how then they try for put the little things them where they get. Of course, waiting they go take from we see how they can make good use of them. So if we in Africa, you get a few country them like there where we don't begin for do them kind here. I think we as African people, we as Africans, where they in and out of Africa, we really need for feel proud and for give support in any kind way we able for give support to that particular country there.
Yeah, so kudos to Senegal and the new president, we at least standing a very big step. And inside the Gambia, the people who have been suffer under Yahya Jammeh rule, they still they ask for let them help them, let them count them back like Fist Justice, Nabanjul. People and say all the one of the victims, some of them people have been lost, some of them may kill them, some of them may beat them, some of them disappear, and not ever hear about them again. They come under one umbrella, see they want. Let ECOWAS and the governments now help them for bring back Yahya Jammeh for can answer to the crime so you don't commit. Bible, you are somebody who believe in human rights and justice. How about that?
I think say no civilian not deserve for suffer under politician. No civilian not deserve for lose in life under politician. Because the same civilian way politicians then they misuse, use and dump. Now the same civilian when they want them position there, they can't meet. sugarcoat them, talk to them like say they're able for deliver the promises them way that they give to the civilian. At the end of the day, when that civilian that citizen they don't left all what they do in time and everything, go cast that vote for that politician. When the politician become who is supposed for become or who he want for become, now the same citizen now they begin for matrix. So for me as Bible, I think the one them way involved into things them where the law feels say therefore can face the justice, make the justice can know if they act the way that we don't do to the citizen them. Now show you as a politician for treat you citizen. I think say now a very nice decision because Africa we really need for set example. Waiting to happen there so now the same thing we they cry for so now mama saloon. If me and you did not this media, now the same thing where the Gambia they do, they cry for. We mean say if politicians sit on a power, in need for no say, now citizens them put them another power day. Now people them go out, go stand line, vote for them. But as soon as they don't get the votes from the people, they know they take the people serious again. They take them as them not to useful people them again to them. Now maltreatment, now killing, even they go to the worst where some people they left in country, they go begin suffer in other man country because of politician threatening. So I think it's good they're able for the treat politician this way, and even we go want for begin see that one in our country.
Thank you so much, Dana Baibure. And the program now Beyond the Headlines. We did live on TV Salon and we had on YouTube, on Facebook. Now they go to the first story on Salon. This story will begin back as early as January 2025, where one law firm in America, in Jenner and Block, decides say, then they sue Salon government because Salon government therefore pay their money way past $8 million. What will be happen? This company, members say 2019, one mining company with this Salon, what they call Jural Group, the Salon government be drop them come out of the country, sitting and left for mine and export iron ore. So this company they say the way how the government be stop them from mining the iron ore not to be the right way that. So what be happen, then take Salon gonna court. Say Salon government for pay them compensation because then stop them when they not follow the processes for stop them for mine the iron ore in Salon. So after that case the Salon government can meet this company when a Jenner and Block, when a law firm we based in Chicago, but then get office in Washington DC, say they want me to represent in a court. So this Jenner group therefore represents the Salon government in a court for affect the case against this mining company where they pull another country that kind of way. So according to the group, Jenner and Block, if Salon not been challenged that case in a court, where them represent Salon a court, if I don't cost Salon 8-point-something billion US dollars. But because of the way they represent Salon, then fed that case with all them power and sabi they get in a court, then be able less the damage where that case they for don't cost Salon and the Salon government. So after that, this law firm say the Salon government get for pay them balance $8-point-something million will be left. After Salon government, we don't pay them $3.5 million. So let me take the matter go court. Okay? So inside January, one judge may rule say, indeed, the case for go ahead in a court, say Salon for pay this Jenner and Block company, this $8-point-something million. Okay? So, but Salon on their own part, after way they don't talk say them for pay this money, as they've seen at the screen, at the story that the way them publishing on some international publication them. Representative from the company say Salon is supposed to pay this money because they don't do all this work for them, they don't challenge that case in a court. So Salon for pay that money and the court now DC they say yes, Salon for go ahead and prepare for self for appear answer that case. They say they get for pay that money there to the law firm because if you take lawyer company for let them represent you against another international company where will be cause more damage and then fed to case, is supposed to pay them the balance money. So that's January 2025. Now, this March 2025, Salon government themselves don't come back and say, then they take the law firm in a court because the court, they say they overprice or overbill them. What's that they mean? according to Salon government, they say the money where the law firm they ask, if boku pass, what did them plan, what did them they agree. But now go back to the first claim. The first claim where the company be sue Salon be say they say they not get contract. Now I make some of we they actually just explain let una self where this company Jenna and Block been first gonna court and sue Salon government say they not get no formal contract between them and this legal company for them sue them. But imagine this now company where then take for fight the case against the mining company. Now that will be the first defense. So now Salon government says they sue this company in a court in America because the company overpriced or overbill them based on they can put what they not be agree on, something like that. So now they will stand right now by Bore by this case. Why is the law firm we don't take Salon a court? The judge may say Salon get rights for pay this money to this law firm. Now Salon don't come back say they take other lawyer and sue this other law firm in court because the law firm overpriced and overbill them. Then they sue them for that. So now they will be right now for this legal case where Salon don't get to this legal company in the US. Are they bring you in by Bore? What's you take on this situation? As it's a bit difficult for explain more. How people will understand. Law firm take Salon a court because they represent Salon for first case against one mining company. They say Salon get for pay there. Salon not pay there, then Salon said don't take this mining company. Sorry, don't take this law company or use other lawyer and say they sue them a court because they overbill or overprice it. But what do you think?
So let me come clear now for that we mama and we uncle na village. You mean say the Salon government get case with a mining company, right?
Mm-hmm.
When the case they on, then go take the law firm for fight or stand for the court.
Yes.
And then now warawere, they say the law firm don't overprice them. So then they go take another lawyer for sue the law firm. They not get contract. If I'm not mistaken, to what you say.
Yes,
So to me on understanding, one thing where I just want to make everybody know now, not to all country they take the joke where we they take now we country. The joke where we they do now we country, they jump to other country. Things them where we not take serious or mean serious, other country mean serious and take them serious. How to start with somebody on another contract, they go stand for you in a court for fight a case. That's number one. Then he mix me all blame this night. So if this company don't go, mind you, na international company where they talk about Naya. You say on another contract, but then go stand in a court. And then don't go do the work where you send them for go do. At the end of the day, you say no, the work not okay for you because they overprice you. How you they sign contract with somebody, you not put pen paper for no if I don't this case now this they pay me. So now you think if you not somebody who manage something well, you not just want for bring something where the country they lose because all of the what they talk now, the country they lose. Why you they negotiate with the law firm, when I get an agreement, don't you pay what you get for pay? Don't you they left the law firm for so they can't go for go take another lawyer where you get for go pay? Mind you, the money they can go plus. Why you they use that money where they go pay that lawyer? Negotiate to the law firm, now me been take you, but really this money boku. You get for be polite in some case. That pauper not they work out of salon. Pauper it they only work inside salon. So why make them not they negotiate with the law firm and then they left and force and go take lawyer, then pay. So if then go lost the case again, then go left back, then sue back that other lawyer, then go take another. How long you go take lawyer, but something where you don't begin lose? Why the government not they think say right now we get a lot of things them where we need for pay attention to, a lot of responsibility as a government where they're supposed for put money then just they go and bring things them where the money they go. No benefit to the citizen, no benefit to the country. The money just they go. The people that where they want for challenge through, they need for no say now people where they read like how then think say then they read. Now people where no law like how then I know I'm talking they no law say because the things when they do at the country, they no law, they no do 'em. You know, but I think they know it and they but they just want put the country pan losses or then drag into them case I say if then come on a government tomorrow, the other government where they come, they can't vote for nothing responsibility because government case now government now in the take care of them and government now in and out. If Missy don't today, I don't cause problem and then I go tomorrow, you Alpha can take over, you not get away for balance and government and overall world now you they can't do that case today.
And Babura, now a very interesting point. Now, remember the Wanza boats. Wanza boats. One boats the way they call Wanza, where the former president Kaba, then I think that during that regime they also the Wanza boats when them get for pay some money, they not agree pay that money. They say them come on. Now President Kuruma now can pay that money for the Wanza boats. I mean I don't know if you remember that guy. Now be like a big boat, like a military boat, then call Wanza boats or something, but. Now later the government. So this is like a similar thing about this. If the government are not able to pay them or they not agree pay them, say them come on, the other government they come, salon government and salon government. But now go back to the crux of the matter. This is now all about following processes. You get process, how they stop other company, international company for work or operate.
Yeah, before we jump, just like what you talk Alpha, now this we just don't talk because even that money they so we understand it and let's not be supposed for pay but because now government case it forced for pay in all day when the thing happen and the way income the one that will left the problem in control the responsibility and all of them money there now we as a nation they lose now light problem we get so we they go and waste money other side why we know they try for solve your problem and negotiate issues them where they break down the expenditure to the government and then we just they go and open all them. As Imbi say, they come for lock the leakages. Now ocean and Mediterranean Sea, they go and open. It's very, very sad as a nation.
Yeah. So one's about exactly. President Kaba, they make this issue of one's about for pay, not agree pay, because he say, not being the business being shady or whatever. That money now the former presidents that they able to pay because a government case, now government case. So these are like a similar thing. But now, even though they talk about the processes, like I say, where they hide to stop other company from mine like country or for do business and how they move on. But starting from that point there, now bringing to this journey group, when I don't contact them, according to them, they say if I don't cost a loan over $8 billion, because which means that company may want to do like for say when I pay you all the way to don't losses and everything. If I don't cause them all landing, but they able affect that case, they say they able done the case. So now always they need that money, the balance money, when I hit some point something million. Now first salon say contract not in. Now salon say they overbill or overprice them. So now let's say like I thought load na me 8. Okay. But I don't say me neck the heart. Then I pull like I put it on the shoulder. Not the same pain by Bura.
If you don't take this, then you pay the worst.
So now it's all like this. The thing at the head, the one at the head, and he puts it on the shoulder. After the shoulder, say he give put her back on the head, he puts it on the other shoulder. Now the same pain, in fact, they weaken more other part than the body. So now I like this because like what you talk about. Now go take another law firm. You got to pay them back money for can argue the case against another law firm. You understand? At the end of the day, you don't know the outcome of that case. If this law firm can win salon, all right, you don't pay another lawyer for represent you, then maybe they say, okay, we claim on our back for defame with character or something or we name. So the money go down add to other one.
Double.
Why not talk about say, okay, law firm we all go settle them in me on out of government, thinking. But I think that they mean so the future of this case, we don't know how I get for time like or to the company now because an American lawyer can argue against another American lawyer and they never know when they talk or then they see eye to eye or wait they all day. Sometimes they all they can't look for money no more against small. You see?
Yeah, we
so
go.
This is the situation also of day, but we don't know how this get for day. But we hope for area how this thing get for move. According to the publication, and try for call somebody at the embassy, and not respond. Then also the lawyer they will get for represent Salon for this new case. They say not agree respond it. But yes, they agree say yes, Salon don't contact them, say they forfeit this case against this other law company because they say they overbill or overprice and they don't get for pay nothing. Well, the program are beyond the beyond the headlines on TV Salon and Weird. And family, don't forget for subscribe, like the program, and add the comment. Mabinti on YouTube say, now God the fed for we the people of Mama Salon, so then go continue for spend unnecessary money. All right, continue for all the comments. Mina Alpha and I get by Brian. Now let's move over to the next issue we get for do with Bond District. Bond District alala be happen there now one mining community because the community say the mining company we they work with them, always been promised for do for the no grade one. But we go report another ground day when Jonathan he go to the community, try to describe the community, and also talk to one or two of the community people and Lord watch what Jonathan pull na bond.
This is not the health center at Mosavi village. As the community people, one among them cries then. Now for me then get health center. And now one party sitting down the way them be bargaining with the poison company. And all the things they wouldn't be agree on, no one will come yet to reality. As it stands, now this house here then they use as health center at the moment. The Chief Munda Jengbe, Naim Bila and Naim Gi the community for me then go run as health center. Within a Mosavi village, Jung Chiefdom, also we get a story of an incident where leads to a protest. We make plenty man them no bigger the chance for the at all as a result of the threat from the Australian police and Sojaman SFSF. But one party woman them we meet na the town. Now then two will get for talk to actually. But we will talk to the first one, your name her?
My name Francis Gando.
Alright, people where they listen you and where they watch you, go on like for no which actually come with this problem here, so this incident I must have it.
Well, me go to me understand. On Friday, I come on Jala. Me pick the graduate come meet. They say the woman they all go inside. Almost I meet woman and they inside. So it's like the man walk out with himself not to real man. So I just take time, I hope me don't want, I go inside there. Later on, I get me small boy, 11 years old. Nairon come meet me say, Mama, hope you don't want. Come on, I do. So myself come out, now say wait here, he say, Mama, 30 day up yonder. I say wait here, he say, no. I say, okay, I say no go no side, we say 30 day no go there. So by then, now we say, Bokuma de car down now with run. They say 30 day up, we say the Fuezi man and they walk. So after that, they now, even take 45 minutes. Me go was, by then I come, I see motoka up yonder, come on, I do ya. I see now one my late brother in Peking, and all and the knock come with stick, then policeman then. So myself, I know every time lapa, I just take time and go up there with the towel. I draw one lapa up yonder to one woman, now outside I go there. I say, what happen where una dey knock me picky because I say I come up at track, I meet at the sleep. I say, why una dey knock and so? I say, what I understand, police, if it's something that happen, una for define life and property. I say, no to for can't take advantage. I say, like me bobo so I meet at the sleep, now me wake up. And they say, we picking don't go first now, poison, they don't go wound, the work man and day. I say, okay, I say, me picking no go no side. So from that time, all man run, they run behind any man where they see, then they go down, beat and go. The one they first way they old and past 20. Beat, then I am mercilessly. So myself the thing get for at me, I call most of my brother, they wouldn't they out, like Bo, Kenny and Matru, I be call them. So they gather then they go then. Now next back then come the old people then because me obvious I talk and say I know they go north side. All my go na this turn, now two be left. Me and one of my brother I call a mother bio. So na me to the na toya, where then go so we say balance they will observe what they go on. If that net where they come, the whole the chief Umayanda bring and come, they put inside motoka, threaten, go and bounce them to mouth them, open, they do all part them, so on the day they're ageable. So later, they left there, they no go them, but the chief in West now, Yanda, they go pin and down a field, and the place be dark. From that time, man, they all run away now, yeah. Who will be there now, so I will not be reach 15 as a woman.
Okay. So we actually call with this fete here, so now poison, because we hear you say, then tell you say fete be now poison, and now the community people them the first work man they be the fete. What's it called the fete?
Well, they say the youth them mobilize themselves, then go up then. Then get one shortcut where they don't make naya from get the matoya. So they not reach with the road, they stop them because me say don't work out at one time. So they know the youth them they don't request to the chief say let them tell them and they let them make these streets naya. So then we give time, they say the time pass. The other time back then show they not make the place. So then say they begin for mobilize themselves as a man. So they make down that man society. So then go to them, the manager where they say talk to them for say then go make the road. So the time where they show it pass, the other time come it pass. So the youth then back they say the other day, on Friday now in the evening now they go there. So when they go there, they go ask them why una no make this road. Una don't show the road. The time una no make the road. So they say now the argument begin draw themselves fet day. So all man run and return.
Okay, but now rule no more than be promised for make for the people them now. So
Them promise for make road and water well for we become really water no day. They don't draw that water outside with the brook and drink because now up with the claim for get water for drink. They don't na they with the brook. So they don't draw that water. Water no day na the place there. Water no there. Then all water well there jams and the inside. So right now I would use. Me every day before I start I come for now I go buy.
All right. Well, Ghana reporter Jonathan gone at that village there. We say that Alala been take place. We then go all, plenty people like there, and we say from the woman, all the man there, Bokuro na we gonna bush because the police go and say we with the woman they talk, then begin beat any mawaides and just they beat, put na mutka arrest, that happened in a Bond district, that community, it was a mining community, and a Bond district, President Bill come out. So I just hope say President Bill said good there in the Senate, we will make sure say. But Sengbe Pierre, where the woman they talk here, they talk about thing. First, you see the pictures of the town, you see the health center, who say reporter go, you see the road, you see the also people in the sleep. And even when the woman they talk, he said the side up the hill, side them they go get water. The company, because also when they do company, they mining company, they use a lot of water. So they don't suck the water till the water don't finish. Then the water them promise for make for the water well, they don't see it. The road, they don't even make it. The health center, they don't even make it. So which means the company just they mine, the people are not able to get nothing. And now some of them claim they are the youth man and they actually want to go protest. Then police then go get them. What do you think about mining company and the rights of the people now their district say?
So before we even talk about the mining company, the word where you just talk, I feel weak. My voice even change. Say na madabio in turn that one the way come on. Because madabio supposed for represent in turn way come on, and in turn way it come on supposed for represent madabio. We mean say you alpha, you the America, in any kind way you get family down, we month down, you know your responsibility. We mean say you not consider as alpha, you family there and somebody else go pass, even team for each no day. It means say not able to represent you, family not able to represent you. You not look like your family not look like you. Look at the pictures of the particular place we call Bond. Look at the health center, a place where a old president, as Kone say, a old president, and this guy not only be president as Kone say this particular time, he don't want be a president when a junta president. Usai, we understand say it take a lot of money. He not use this money for even improve the life of people in village or in village where go mean say now the junta leader that they talk first about the NPRC time. Where we even get confirmation to Samura say indeed Madabio been take that money in na be the finance person. Now let we pull them come on. We can say that in a junta time. Now he don't be president at the two-term presidency. So at the tongue, come on. Not even talk of them business. What they do presently, where they get free money, is still upon other business where they do. Is still everybody know the business. I know and call them today at the reserve, like I put and so. Is still not able for represent in tongue where in come out. Look Usai Madabio come out. Look the health center where Madabio come out. Ebo. Me say not go happy for talks in Madabio come out. Maybe that bad name no more they get. Not say I come out. Now we come now to the mining company. You know, I feel sad for the youth man them. If you look to the law, they get rights for protest because the company they can take something important to them where it be say they forget small benefit as a town. But guess what thing they happen now? The person where they don't call now so say Nayanda Ibon in a number one person where aware of them companies there where they come to the country, where then they make negotiation, where then they sign paper, benefits way for go to the people. Then they take everything, then draw another side. No company, no they will not they get the support of government officials them. They just can't do something at you tongue like waiting and they do so. But then they do them because then get the backbone when the people on the way we call government, we put them in that place, where they sign document for go to that place, they know the agreement where they get. If indeed they be get that kind of agreement, say when they come mine at this place, make this place put tag on here or pave this place, build more, build good health center now. Alpha then they do them because those guys are foreigner. Then they come for can do business. Waiting, una agree with them. Now in they do because they say no, they can't do business for gain and loss. But those guys, they take everything, put them in their own pocket, and then they left the people where they read the noise of the machines, them, where they suffer now, the small water where they go get for can manage. The company don't suck that water there, but the government officials, including Madabio, where they say that the president, where they sign some of the agreement there, is sit down, say, they bang them every day, is sit down, say, they drink to thick water every day, special one, is sit down, say, they get food every day. Look the condition of young people, them. And look the condition of the town.
Like well, just to add to that, because the community actually sent me some of the points and we make them make that protest. Like I read them for you, let you say a quick one.
Right, my
The
brother.
one they say they not get water supply at the community because the water like them say the one where they drink the company don't dry all don't dry and they work around go now that for go find water. They say them promise say go make the road from Chendema to Mosavi village and take to the that every woman say they don't talk to them, so they make the road no able do am. The community member then say the bush where they take, even the bush where they take, the surface rent where they promise for pay them, say not pay them that surface rent they hate. Okay. And even they say the money where they say that they say they pay them 200 millions, 200 millions and 200,000 millions per 1 acre. Okay. 10, 10 town lots. Okay, so 10 town lots, they're saying they pay 200, man, 10 town lots, then they pay 200,000 euros for 10 town lots. Imagine 200 new euros, that are
This is not the health
200,000
center, I
euros.
must have a
Okay,
village as the
then even the company promised for pay 500,000 euros, now their account 500,000 new euros, which is 500 million euros, where they promise for pay for let them make the community health center. That money they take today, they not even pay it. All right, and even the vacant. Okay, the job they when they say they give to the youth man them when at the community they're born. Then job then they don't ask stay, they don't ask stay, nothing. The youth man them not able to get any work then they. So all land they make the people themselves say, "Lord mobilize, Lord go protest." to the company and also end.
Well, I think now I make a begin and say I dey feel am for the youth man them. So Alpha within your own common sense, you say no sit that one in a big lie for a company for cancer that they can't begin pay 200,000 for social plots of land for do this 500,000. No, the bigger ones them where they can clap for, where then they come them cow them big jeep them where they clap for. They don't eat the money are not to them. They go that 200,000, 500,000 where they talk about. Now, wait till them can't tell them people. Where you check not all the company tell the people them so. Now, them people, now we young people them, we young government officials them, where they take us say, but now me on side as politician, Kenny man, na me on side, put lock on me on side. Now they can do that thing and they not all the company. But when they do that thing and then they link up with the company, they tell the company what they don't understand. And it make most of them people where they can go to court with companies them always then they lose and case them. Because after when they don't get an agreement with company, then they come and lie to the people. And then if anything come over there now, when the company they go explain to their own explanation, now two different things. So now them they suffer. Now we say they suffer we serve. I just they feel out for the poor youth man them now, where they go face intimidation now. Police they go for go run after them. That honorable, that minister don't make a call. They but where one point me it. Then when I go catch them, go lock them in a cell. And some man they go prison for no good reason. And then kind thing they are. Whilst the minister then in office, the honorable then in office, then they use the salon police for intimidate people them and thinks them when they get them right. This not then your right.
And by boy,
But this
as
not
you
the
see man
government
now,
they shout.
as you see when you turn quiet, most of the youth man don't run one bush, they run away left.
Oh
Some of
yes, Alpha. Now here we see the mother be go put sloko. He go talk, baby talk them on then same mining company issues they are. Oh, mining company don't come. He cook big money they want for corner asset because some money then they use to say where they can repeat it, they get seen. He go like big like how many projects, how many million projects you don't go na put lock ask 30 the waiting they go on. 30 the waiting they go on. So this is not the government where they shout for.
Thank you, Bible. You listen to the program Beyond the Headlines on TV Salon and Riyadh live within our two channel. And now, on time for Michael take 1 minute down memory lane today in the history, and after that, we'll come and continue the program. All right. Then a minutes down memory lane, of course, today in history. Remember, say, one history there, and we are just one highlight. When I be February 22, we 2007, Chief Sam Hinga Norman, and it's already been there in Dakar, Senegal. Like, what, Sabi Hinga Norman? Sabi the name? Okay. All right. The time now at 4:51 p.m. From Leone Eastern Time now at the US. The program Beyond the Headlines live on TV Salon and Riyadh, and we'll continue discussion. But before we go, we also not get much time left. While we come in journalists, we'll talk about where they arrest now Freeton. We issued on the raise concern. We just want to highlight Fambola and make know a little bit about this. According to one we colleague, this lady then call um Sorry, I did try for getting him right. This we colleague where they arrest, then call him Millicent Aubreys. Millicent Aubreys, according to what we colleague, the Congo Cross police station, they violate this week convening, right? This week convening journalism, right? Because Congo Cross police station don't hold these journalists and they hold them within 4-year-old girl picking, which is all right a violation because if now one person say we get issue with no go out in 4-year-old girl picking, in 4-year-old picking, so which means don't go put two people in a cell for one crime where they're not, related, you're not getting no right. So now they say this Millicent Breeze, according to we colleague, they're not detained her within 4-year-old picking. And the case now two fighting, which means this Millicent he fed with one in company and then at the same compound. Okay. So where they all two feds, now they all get medical report. So this guy go make statement of police. This back say go make statement of police. Millicent said go report the matter to the CDIID. The CDIID now the investigation and complaints unit where if policeman do you something, they go report to the CDIID. And then for investigate policeman, where he do you something. So instead go report to the CDIID. So this other person where then fed with this we colleague journalists, where in our police, inside go report, in go report at the CID. So the journalists in one case where report and not look into her and not talk nothing, police just go arrest this woman and go lock them up here in girl picking, even though inside we get fracture and which means almost be not scrappy hand or broken hand. Police not even look into that and just don't lock her. And they don't lock her for the past 2 to 3 days now. So Babure, the issue of orders from above. This is a case of two fighting, according to we colleague on the ground. Now, two fighting, two people in fact, because they're at the same compound. They all go make statement. This go make statement as CID, this go make statement as CDIID. Then they all get injury, they all take medical report. But the one in case they're not even listening to it, instead they end up for locker here in 4-year-old picking. What you
As
think?
as far as me concerned, the one we then lock with in 4 years old picking in not to 2 Sierra Leonean. Sometimes we no need for bend things. They listen, we they watch, and we they see what's in the happen. Now so we they listen, waiting and they talk. This way they go on order from the above. Me and you are not think say it doubts we again now like people we not being get knowledge of that particular word they now them it doubt. And we responsibility is that we for they explain to them again, make them understand. Maybe the term where then what's then they come up, they're not there or they're not be no. If the first lady, as Connor say, don't come out and tell we say anybody where they in their own group, power becoming on lek for call them SLPP. In the SLPP, get decent people them. We're not even happy of waiting they go on so. So, who that not to power in not to 2 Sierra Leonean? And we don't they see people they go to court, people they not police. They get case, then they don't give you bail na court. You by the time they left the court compound, they will can't hold you back, say they don't withdraw you bail. We don't see that they don't happen they happen at the country. So something like this for me by Bure, get for be a surprise to me. Because what do we understand by two fighting, even inside what we did, when you call police on two fighting issue, even now you call the police, the one way you call for the police, so instead them can't take them go na police, even then lock them, they will go pull you, they ask you, you want for press charge? You want for make a case? It left to you an answer now. So that tells you two fighting are two fighting. And Salon, how we be no two fighting day? Me and Alpha with the fight. Alpha they go report, me they go report. Police they go give we a note for go take medical paper. We they go and come, then see the two medical paper them, and then know how for deal with that case day. By right, case for two fighting, if even a fine, una also forget fine. But the Salon law, no, I know I'm calling law. Salon don't sound like now. Now Sobibo. Now the strong, they survive.
Okay, Bible, I just want to say, I understand, say even the slight president don't try for intervene and call the LUC in a Congo Cross, but the LUC in a Congo Cross say in the still investigate, the one person, whether this journalist,
How you they investigate two fighting one person then a sell with him picking, then the other person in day out. You say who's him? I don't understand. How you call that investigation? If he calls for luck, they all two now they all two for luck. Why the other one special in day out? Oh my God, Salon. Anyway, I rest me case.
All right, so we they ask whoever the listen or the person where the LUC na Congo Cross say
God.
Millicent Aubry's Mansare when we own colleague journalists we get information say when I don't lock up for the past 2 or 3 days now with him 4-year-old picking. When I need for Guillain Bail and himself get a medical report, say get a fractured hand, and also because in police feds and then at the same compound the police go make statements against her. Inside make statement against the police now. CDIID, when are the units where they investigate police misconduct, when are able to take all two the case then together as when they investigate. But how they go lock out in 4-year-old picking and not even give access for letting bail and even the slide president and other slide officials don't try for intervene when not great. So they already ask when the police or the police high command say, and then they give this a long bad name. What be they talk at the case of our hunt? Where some of them have been saying no more. And see how far the thing don't go from Amnesty International to the Lawyer Society to the Salon Honorary Consul to Canada resign and all over. At the end of the day, we'll see the first lady. You know, I know say we had to do a special program on that, but we'll see the first lady don't come and say in one minute release them. Even though it's a get any concern by the way they arrest them. But they tell the first lady thank you for letting them release our hunts. Like come on for some when come when we will tell we more. But Bible, sorry, Bible, I say this na injustice as far as we reliable information concern on the ground. 2 people infect, then lock the one person near in picking inside, even though inside get fractured hand, again medical report, in one report, they're not looking to Ramte today. All right. We're not getting much time. What do you think about it?
Now Salon for me and you. Now Salon for me and you. The only thing we I get, I know even waste me time on that one day. Me, I don't tell you say for me not to surprise. We just they pass some of them message there or the information there for make other people and benefit and know waiting they go on a salon because for some people they not even know what should I talk. Some man they want misinterpret you until then there is some of them stuff there. Then we're able to understand the pains them where me and you they pass the information they even go through because some of the information there for even pass them it take a lot of pain for make you pass them. Because USA, you really know say justice not there, injustice don't appear in this particular issue. It really heavy for you where they come and pass about. No option. That's not a job we choose for the day. So as far as me concerned, my brother, that's not salon. And our hunting case, my brother, we try very, very hard when the case they come up yesterday. Me brother, well, I can use the word say we money yesterday. We want come up again with another program after the presentation we do yesterday, but we just they like, you know what? Make the left our aunt. This law just reserve we own opinion for now. Our aunts no any talk as firstly don't come and talk waiting in one for talk. No problem. Sava, no problem. The only thing, as they say, make we see our aunts out. May God make them left farm. After that one day, well, anybody else will get something for comment, maybe you go comment.
All right, I read few comments on YouTube. I see Regina. They say, "What did they go around? They come around. Now, okay, this God not a sleepo." Then from Regina Soar. Regina again. They say, "Good evening. Now we had house and family, and the other people they wish the Muslim them where they fast and they wish you now all happy Ramadan and." Get some other person they say the people in are born now they all be vote for President Marabio. Let them left, let them knock themselves. But no, human right now, human right to the outside. I say and the any side. When I some of who make it different, me say pass me on person or who are connected to or who are fambul or who say come on and do something they happen while lighter. No, anything happen at any corner of salon. Hence nothing we get for do with injustice and human rights abuse and violation. Of people talk and also by Bure. This person they say because I want.
I not think say if I be like that.
Yeah.
I not think say if I be like that.
Mhm.
Because just like what you say, human right now, human right, be you the party where they na power, or the party where not in a power, or the party where not in a power.
Mhm.
Thank you. Or the party where not in a power,
Yeah.
they still get the right for protect you. This now they say no president, not there as they don't pronounce you president, you not they cover your party again. You they cover the whole nation. So an officer that one day right say because somebody else vote for Mother Bill, if anything they happen, you will not vote for Mother Bill, not for talk because no. So if it happen to them people today tomorrow, you self your party kind of power, you go happy may it happen to you? No. So the law for be a level playing field where it for serve all man equally.
Thank you so much. Well, family, Zachary and I asked Sanko to say, he said the one way they out, nine of the true Sierra Leonean, the one way they inside cell, not a true Sierra Leonean. Not a Zachary. Been to, they say, good evening, we had family by Boris Sengbepe. They say, hi, Alpha, welcome back. Sunday edition, always. Hope the weekend was great. All right, well, thank you, thank you. 5:02 p.m. Eastern Time, now the US. And I think, say, Eastern Time. I think Naso will take wrap up the program today. The issues that we'll talk about today, we'll talk about um, salon in this law firm in America, and they Tintan too. The law firm sue salon back saying they sue the law firm because of disagreement, pay no pay, fine no fine, or whatever. And we'll talk a bit about that situation at Bond District, where certain people let me go protest, we then go arrest, and the people they say then beat some of them, lock some of them, the youth man they all run gonna bush because they get disagreement with the mining company. They we wait them promise them, they're not see none of that yet. And we'll talk about we colleague journalists where they don't arrest not on they begin two fighting we from where they lock them. Yeah, in your 4-year-old girl picking, the other person where they fed, then left an door, even though inside get medical report, inside make report and CDID, they don't listen to them at all. All right. But I think that the program today beyond the headlines. My brother, what's going to be your final message to Fambulen today?
Well, I just want for tell we people them plenty thank you as they don't come both Facebook and YouTube for pass on their messages there. Una where they undergo, struggle in the country. Una just take them easy. Una beer. It go don't one day. Nothing not they last forever. And take them say any Sierra Leonean na a citizen, and all Sierra Leonean whether you then at this party or that other party. After election, we all for supposed for be one people, regardless of the party where you day. We all now one people. My last word, like I want for wish Vicky Posh a belated birthday, as in birthday I think yesterday. We want for wish you a belated birthday, and also a few more minutes. I wish Cardi B, baby too. Few more minutes, your birthday when March 3rd. I wish you all the best. You wish for yourself. Happy birthday to you, Cardi B, baby to all the way Paris. That's Namila's word for tonight.
Well, thank you very much, Fambul. That now been the wonderful Baibure, the chief of Kase, we in a salon history. We just to talk to you, and I saw the program Beyond the Headlines go left you today. Today being the 2nd of March, 2025. And don't forget for continue for watch the program even after we go off because it go be live on TV Salon and it go be live on Weird, both on Facebook and YouTube. And don't forget you can also subscribe, like, share, and also user can suggest a topic or even a guest we want to bring come and talk to inside the program anytime. Okay, so till we meet next week back. Don't forget say continue for subscribe, continue for like, be part of TV Salon and Weird. Of course, we always do for bring you professional content. Until then, we'll meet again next week. Thank you to we engineer where they push and pull, where they behind the scenes. And until we meet again next week, Mina Alpha from Odisi Studio, they say thank you, and God bless you now.